Let's start with the 14th example, and what is said here. In figure shows the position time graph of a particle of mass 4 kg. So the mass of the particle is 4 kg. What is the force on the particle for t equal to t less than 0? So if you see the graph for t less than 0, so this is the portion of the graph for t less than 0, which is from say A to B. An object is in a state of rest. So for the first case, we can say that as the object is in a state of rest, it means it is in static equilibrium, and according to Newton's first law, if object is in a state of rest, then the net unbalanced force acting on the body is 0. Second, t greater than 4 second. Okay, so now again this is the portion where t is greater than 4 second. So again you can see for t greater than 4 second, the velocity, that is the slope of the graph, is 0. Again the object is in a state of rest, so the net external force acting on the body is 0. Between t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 4 second, that is this portion between B to C. So as you can see, the velocity, that is the slope of the graph, is 3 by 4, 0.75 meter per second, and that is constant. So as velocity is constant, it is in uniform motion. Again, according to Newton's first law, the body continues to be in a state of rest or uniform motion when no net external force is acting on the body. So again, the net force acting on the body is 0 during AB, BC and C2 forward, that is greater than 4 second. So that is the A part of the question. Okay, the time intervals are given to us. Now let's see the B part of this question. What is impulse at t equal to 0? So as you can see, we need to find the impulse at t is equal to 0. So as from the graph you can see, the velocity just before t equal to 0 is 0, and velocity just after t is equal to 0 is 0.75 meter per second. Here as you can see, just below it is 0, and just after the velocity is the slope of graph, 0.75 meter per second. So I can say the impulse is nothing but change in momentum, m in bracket v minus u. So impulse comes out to be, mass is 4 kg and final velocity is 0.75, initial is 0. So impulse comes out to be 3 kg meter per second, and that's the answer to this question. Second, we need to find impulse at t is equal to 4 second. Okay, so I'm writing here, impulse at t is equal to 4 second is how much? So again you see t is equal to 4 second. So I can say velocity just before 4 second is 0.75 meter per second, and velocity just after 4 seconds, so you can see the slope is 0, so that is 0. So therefore impulse at t is equal to 4 second will be equal to m in bracket final velocity minus initial velocity. This is 4 kg, final velocity, that is 0, and initial is 0.75. so impulse at t is equal to 4 second comes out to be -3 in SI unit. So that is the answer to this question. Thank you.